Hi, I will talk to you about my personal life. I'm El Hernandez. I'm 34 years old, environmental engineering student, 7th semester. I live in Valledupar with my parents. I am single. I do not have children. In my spare time, I do my activities. I used to work long hours in a hotel where I did not have a social life. I felt that I was losing my time. I was dissatisfied. Every time I felt very exhausted until one day I decided to renounce. Now I feel a free woman who enjoys most of the time. I now had not done it. My life will continue to be frustrated with no opportunity to re-encounter myself as a woman. I was in a very stressful work environment, but now I enjoy my life, my family sharing pleasant moments. Now the only thing I lack is that I am a free woman. New creation I am, where are made to be free and not to be a slave of our time. Bear your life with love and do not delay it anymore. Thank you very much.